The base Corvette Stingray starts at $56,995 and packs a normally suctioned 6.2-liter V8 making 455 drive and 460 pound-feet of torque. Power on all Corvettes is sent to the back wheels through either a 7-speed manual or 8-speed programmed. The Stingray will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds while in transit to a best speed of 185 miles per hour. There are 3 essential trim dimensions: 1st Lieutenant, 2nd Lieutenant and 3LT, with each including an ever-increasing number of highlights. However, execution remains fundamentally the equivalent. While the standard Stingray is bounty skilled, we exceedingly suggest the $5,000 Z51 execution bundle. Notwithstanding a 5-pull knock, Z51 outfitted vehicles accompany bigger brakes, 13.5-inch front and 13.3-inch back rotors, a redesigned suspension, a dry-sump oiling framework, updated apparatus proportions, and electronic restricted slip differential, Michelin Pilot Super Sport summer tires, a double-mode execution fumes, differential and transmission coolers, and re-examined air to improve rapid security. You can run significantly promote with magnetic ride control and performance traction management for another $1,795. The mid-motor Chevy Corvette is coming soon, yet in case you're searching for a decent arrangement on a C7 Vet, presently may be an ideal opportunity to visit your nearby merchant, or extremely any Chevrolet merchant across the country. There are around 9,000 unsold Corvettes sitting on different merchant parcels, and the Generation office in Bowling Green, keeps on producing increasingly more of them. Despite the fact that offers of the C7 are moderating, only 800 were sold in January, merchants keep on requesting more autos so as to keep their assignments high when the new model at last arrives. There's a great deal to browse with regards to the C7 Corvette's portfolio. There are 4 primary models: Stingray, Grand Sport, Z06 and ZR1, with 3 motors, 2 transmissions and various discretionary execution bundles. Every variation is accessible as a roadster or convertible. The drop top is a $4,500 premium no matter how you look at it. A 8-speed programmed will set you back $1,995. That is all before getting into every one of the hues, wheels, carbon fiber highlights and different trims that include highlights like horn seats and a heads-up showcase. Here's a concise breakdown of the different models alongside a couple of arrangements we found.